How to share games on Steam with friends. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share games on Steam with friends. To start, open the Steam app in your system. Once you're here, click on Library. Here are all of your games that you can play on Steam. Now, to share these games with your friends, click on the Steam from your top left corner. Then click on Settings. Click on Family, given right below Friends and Chat. Here you can allow Family View, Family Library Sharing, Authorized Library Sharing on your device, and Eligible Accounts. Here, you can share the Steam library with others on your device. Once authorized, Steam users on shared devices may access. Turn the toggle on, given right next to Authorized Library Sharing on this device. You can select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on authorized devices. Also, you can add eligible accounts to share libraries with. By this way, you can share games on Steam with friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.